So here we go. I wanted to show you the bike in cruise mode. I think I can understand, I'm not sure, but when you ride, it is supposed to, my brakes are so tight here, let me see. I can put this phone down somewhere. It's in cruise mode. Now you see it's in cruise mode, and it's taking the bike along, right? That is full E mode, cruise mode. This is the last mode I want to demonstrate. I thought it would be easier for me to demonstrate it here as opposed to riding it, because then, you know, I'm pedaling. But here you go, in cruise mode. This turns it into a full e-bike where it runs by itself. So if, for me, like someone like me has had total knee replacement surgery, and now I want to, you know, ride the bike and I get tired, I can go into cruise mode. Voila. There you go. LIVALL PikaBoost. This is a winner all the way around. All the modes work. This works well. And this is the best way I could demonstrate the last mode to you, the cruise mode, so you can see it for yourself. Thanks for watching.